The Webb embolization system offers a single device solution for the treatment of wide neck bifurcation aneurysms. Webb is offered in a single layer shape in multiple sizes to treat aneurysms with widths of 3 to 10 millimeters. Proper sizing of the Webb is important to ensure long-term device stability. A correctly sized Webb has significant lateral compression after deployment to prevent compaction and ensure durability over time. Selecting the optimal implant size takes just 2 steps. Step 1 is to measure the neck, average width and minimum height of the aneurysm using 2 right-angle orthogonal projections. There's no need to include blebs, secondary nodes or narrowed domes. Step 2 is to match your aneurysm measurements with the selected Webb from the sizing chart. Using your measurements from Step 1, take the average width and the shortest height from the 2 projections to find the sizing chart's recommendation. The recommended device size is where the 2 dimensions meet. The correct microcatheter is also shown in the table. Remember, measure and match. 2 simple steps to a single device solution.